welcome to another Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Aisha Siddiqa Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal International School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 6 and today's topic is assignment 2. That means you already got your grade that your work is design and any kinds of you can design any kinds of things. Look at this board. Now I will show you a design just for your hints and just for your help. Look, I have used here 1 to 8 inch box. Look at this. There I have used. Okay, you will use your first pencil because I have already drawn by a pencil. That you must use the scale for the design. Design and Alpona is not the same things. Okay. You can draw Alpona very freehand. Okay, but you can't use without scaling and you can draw the design. Listen, after drawing this box, you will divide this box like this. I have already divided this box by pencil. Okay, you also do this. Look, first this, then here to here, here to here. If you observe this class first to last, you will draw a better design here to here, and then we will got a lot of I got a point and a box. Look at this. When you then I have got this box, and after that you will again divide this box like this. This and this type. Okay, and look at this. I have got another box from this point. Join this point. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and when I divide the 4 boxes, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 point. And again I have joined 4 points for a box. Look at this. I will get another box from here. Look the box. Okay, then you will use here the pencil compass for circle. Now I will show you the drawing by marker pen. You can use any kinds of marker, color, pastel color, poster color, any kinds of color. Look, I just use the marker for drawing, but listen, when I will draw, you look at this. Before drawing, here I have a point, and look, every line I have used for the good measuring. Look, I have used the points also. Look at this. I don't cross this line. Look, this line, I didn't cross this line. You also. lines, drag the line, and make a form. But look, everything is in a box. Okay, I have already completed the middle point of the box, and then look at this line. I have used this line like this. Okay, and by giving the line, you can also draw these lines. Okay, now I will use here the another color. Before finishing the drawing, I will say you something that you must use the color. And then draw the lines, that means the box carefully, you got a lot of shapes and easily. line again. Now I will show you the reverse drawing. What is the reverse drawing? Just imagine that a line that means you will divide this. When you draw your design, you must use just 2 or 3 colors. Won't use a lot of color because that looks so much messy. You can insert the another lines like this. Okay, and here also. Okay, now look. I fill up the one side by the black color. You can use your any kinds of color, red, blue or any kinds of color, but not a lot of color. Remember this very carefully, you won't use a lot of color. Just reverse. That means whereas I colored this petal, you won't color this petal here. Okay, look here, I have left this place white. That means I will color this here. Look at this already I have got the reverse design, and here I have used the black colors. I have got these mistakes because I need to color here. color here, that's why I won't color this space on here. I will color this space. And I have left this space, that's why I will color this space. Okay, now this side. This you must give relation to this side or this side. Okay, now this one have left just like before. I will draw here I have fill this, there I won't fill this, I just leave this. The same thing is here. And then I left this portion same. Look, I have used here marker, but marker point is not so sharp. That's why I won't get you the sharp design. You won't use this type of marker. You can use the brush and very thin brush for finishing, or and the marker, but that must be sharpened. have completed the design. Look, if you want, you can use your color also. Okay, this one called the reverse design. Look, where I have give the white space, left the white space, here I have colored this space by the black pen. You will use a lot of color, but not more than 3. You will draw our design 8 inch by 8 inch, okay, on A4 size paper. So my dear student, hope you have understood my today's class. Please watch this class very attentively first to last, then you will understood my topics. No more today. Thank you.